Yo guys, what is up? It is Ryan Sneaks back with another sneaker video. Today I have a brand new shoe that Nike debuted this last weekend, which is the Air Max 270. It's a really dope model that I wanted to pick up, and I know the store will be getting them soon. I haven't been in there for a while, but I haven't also heard about these releasing in like certain like select retailers. It was just like Kith, Size, like small boutiques, stuff like that. And then of course Nike released them, so I wanted to get my hands on a pair. And be sure that I was able to get the one I wanted because there was a certain colorway that dropped. It was all pretty much the same, just black uppers with different colors, but I really wanted that Volt pair. Luckily I was able to secure my size on Nike and got them in. They come in this really cool white box, which I don't know if you can kind of see through the camera. Like when light hits it, it has all the different Air Max logos on it, which I thought was dope. Hopefully they continue that with all the other releases and colorways, because I know sometimes they'll do a special box for like the first few pairs and then it just goes like just a regular box. Either way, this is the one I picked up. It is the black and Volt pair. These are super dope. I love the black and Volt. The black and Volt, the black and blue were seen to be the most limited ones out of the whole drop. Those sold out first, and then it was the Hyper Punch and the orange ones as well. I really do like the orange ones though. I may pick those up if I get a chance at them. But the Volt one, this one right here, was the one I really wanted. A pretty cool thing about my pair, which I don't know if you can tell, is it has the 99s barcode all the way down the bottom, which usually means like a promo sample or something like that. So I thought that was pretty cool getting that from Nike. I don't usually get stuff like that. I think my OVO 10s had that, but 11.5 isn't really a normal pair you would get that with, or sizing I would say. When it comes to the whole upper, it's not Flyknit, it's all mesh. So you're not going to get that stretchy Flyknit feel. I would say these are 100% true to size though. I tried them on an 11.5, which is my true to size, and they fit me perfect. So I would definitely recommend going true to size. If anything, you would go, I would say, up half a size. I wouldn't go down half a size just because they won't stretch like Flyknit. But definitely try to get your true to size if possible. The outsole on these is pretty dope. It has like a bubble continuing right here. But you're really just getting the Air Max right here, the little air bubble. And the rest is just foam, but it's really soft foam. They're actually very comfortable. I was kind of worried that these were going to be similar to some of the Air Max, like the generic ones we saw at Finish Line. I was kind of worried it would be like comfort that wise, but these are actually pretty good. I'm not going to complain about these at all. I was thinking they'd be something like the Air Max Furies that we've been getting, and those are just pretty much just a generic run-of-the-mill Air Max, and they have the same type of bubble, but I guess like the foam they use in it, and I don't know. These are just pretty comfortable. So I'm super excited I was able to pick up the pair that I wanted. There's a few more colorways coming out. There is an all white with Volt that dropped in Europe. If they drop the all white with an orange bubble, I'll be all over that. But just really excited to test these out over the long run. I'm planning a trip to San Francisco soon, so hopefully I can take this pair out or something similar and kind of have like a whole week's worth in them and see what they're like. Hey, but that is going to be it for this one. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to hit that like, comment, and subscribe button, and I'll catch you guys next time.